behalf of all of us, I want to say congratulations, a heartfelt congratulations on 25 years. Hope all of you have a wonderful anniversary and recognition for your hard work and success. Thank you for your support and congratulations.
Hi, I'm Chris Johnson with Transwest Truck Center, division of Velocity Truck Centers. We'd like to congratulate Freightliner Custom Chassis on their 25th anniversary.
On behalf of Thor Motor Coach, congratulations on 25-year anniversary. That's really awesome.
Hi, it's Brian Beta. From all of us here at Transwest, I just wanted to say congratulations to everyone at Freightliner Custom Chassis. It's been a great 25 years.
This is Matt Pyle with Dog and Freightliner here in the great state of Texas, and I want to wish Freightliner Custom Chassis 25 great years and many more to come.
From all of us at Forest River Diesel Motorhome Division, we certainly want to congratulate you on 25 years of success. Thank you very much for all the hard work and dedication. Forward to many great years.